For years, people have been hearing rumors about a foldable iPhone. Now, new leaks are finally giving us a clearer idea of how Apple's first folding smartphone could actually work in real life. There have always been big questions surrounding this device. People want to know how apps will run on a folding screen, how the camera system will be designed, and whether Apple has managed to solve the durability issues that many foldable phones still struggle with today. According to recent reports, Apple is developing a special version of iOS specifically designed for its foldable display. Instead of simply stretching normal iPhone apps across a bigger screen, Apple is reportedly redesigning the way apps behave when the phone is unfolded. The goal is to create an experience that feels similar to using a small tablet, while still keeping the familiar simplicity and smooth performance that iPhone users are used to. When the device is opened, the foldable iPhone will reveal a large internal display that offers much more space for apps and content. To make the most of this larger screen, many apps may include sidebars similar to those seen on tablet-style interfaces. These sidebars could display extra tools, navigation options, or settings without blocking the main content. This design could make it easier to multitask and move between different features within an app. However, Apple does not appear to be turning this device into a full tablet replacement. The foldable iPhone will still run iOS instead of a tablet operating system. That means the experience will remain simpler than what users might see on larger tablets, while still benefiting from the extra screen space. On the outside of the phone, there will also be a smaller display. This external screen will function much like a traditional iPhone display. Apps running on this screen will look and behave almost exactly the same as they do on current iPhones. This allows users to quickly check notifications, reply to messages, browse social media, or make calls without needing to open the device every time. But once the phone is unfolded, the experience will change dramatically. The wider internal display will allow apps to expand and show more information at once. Developers may also optimize their apps for landscape mode, which could make the foldable iPhone more useful for tasks like watching videos, reading documents, browsing websites, or editing files. Multitasking is also expected to play an important role on the foldable iPhone. Reports suggest that users will be able to run two apps side by side on the large internal display. For example, someone could watch a video while replying to messages, browse the web while writing notes, or read emails while checking documents. Even though multitasking is coming, Apple will likely keep the system simple and easy to use. Instead of offering complicated window controls like some tablets or computers, Apple will focus on a cleaner interface that keeps everything straightforward. Another interesting area of the foldable iPhone is its camera design. Apple reportedly experimented with an under-display camera for the large internal screen. This technology hides the camera beneath the display so that the screen appears completely uninterrupted. However, the image quality from that hidden camera reportedly did not meet Apple's standards. Because of this, the company may switch to a punch-hole camera instead. Both the internal and external displays are expected to use punch-hole cameras for selfies and video calls. Even though the familiar pill-shaped cutout from recent iPhones may disappear, Apple could still keep the dynamic notification features that many users enjoy. Alerts and system notifications may still expand around the camera area in a similar way. On the back of the phone, the foldable iPhone is expected to include two cameras instead of the larger multi-camera setup seen on some flagship models. The camera module may also feature a slimmer design so that the phone looks balanced and elegant. Security could also see a big change. Reports suggest that Face ID might not be included on the foldable iPhone because the device needs to remain extremely thin. There may not be enough internal space for all the components required for Apple's facial recognition system. Instead, Apple may bring back Touch ID through a fingerprint sensor built into the side button. This solution is already used on several Apple devices and offers a fast and reliable way to unlock the phone. Durability is another major focus for Apple. Early foldable phones often suffered from noticeable screen creases and weak hinges. Apple reportedly spent several years researching these issues before moving forward with its own design. Completely removing the crease in a foldable display is extremely difficult. However, reports suggest that Apple's version will be much less noticeable than the creases seen on many current foldable devices. The company is believed to be using one of the most advanced folding displays available, which should make the screen look smoother during everyday use. The hinge mechanism is also expected to be very strong and durable. While exact durability numbers have not been revealed yet, the hinge should handle thousands of folding cycles without problems. Apple's goal is not just to create a phone that folds, but to improve how people watch videos, browse the web, play games, and interact with apps. The larger screen combined with advanced display technology could make everyday tasks much more enjoyable. Of course, all of this technology will likely come with a very high price. Early reports suggest that Apple's first foldable iPhone could cost around $2,000 or even more. The company may position it as an ultra-premium product above its standard flagship models. If these leaks are accurate, Apple's foldable iPhone could become one of the most ambitious smartphones the company has ever created. With a redesigned iOS experience, strong multitasking capabilities, advanced display technology, and improved durability, it could become a serious competitor in the growing foldable phone market. The biggest question now is whether Apple can deliver a foldable phone that feels polished and reliable right from the first generation. For more updates on upcoming smartphones, leaks, and the latest tech news, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a future video.